I'm going to share some new data with you we're getting from the state released just today, finding that COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are rising at rates that we haven't seen since the beginning of the year. Cases were up 11%, with more than 32,000 new cases last week. That's the most cases added in a week since we've seen since February. Hospital admissions, those climbed to 17%, nearly 1,300 last week. There is a bright spot on this week's report to share with you. Virus particles detected in wastewater were down 21% from the week before. Now, despite the recent rise in cases I just told you about, Wake County is still ending its drive-through COVID testing this Friday. This means people who have relied on those clinics for more than 2 years now will have to find another option. WRAL's Joe Fisher is live in Raleigh with what people should plan to do now moving forward. Joe.
Dan, and there is some good news here, and that is that there are still so many different options in Wake County to get a free COVID test, including this location, Mako Medical's clinic here on Rock Quarry Road at the Word of God Fellowship Church. And something a lot of people might not realize is those federal government tests, these at-home tests that you were able to order a few months ago, you're now able to order even more of them.
Speedy turnaround times at Wake County's COVID testing sites has kept people coming back.
2 or 3 times.
I've come by like 6 times. Haven't had COVID that many times, but I came by that many times.
Since June 2020, Radius Labs has given 1.6 million tests. January's high demand of 216,000 tests has dropped off considerably to just over 24,000 in June and 7,000 so far this month.
We would challenge anyone in the entire country to find an area that did testing as robustly as we did and for so long.
But the days of long lines and packed parking lots are over.
I mean, there was like 2 people here.
And with federal funding running dry, the county is closing its clinics on Friday after more than 2 years.
The county very quickly understood that this was in many ways a matter of life and death.
Matt Calabria was chairman of the Wake County Commissioners when the pandemic started.
It's easier for us to scale down knowing that everyone will still have many, many options for getting tested.
From Walgreens and CVS to state-funded sites like PNC Arena. Not to mention the U.S. Postal Service is offering a 3rd round of free at-home tests. You get 8 of them. You can also order free at-home PCR tests through LabCorp.
That's good to know. So yeah, I did not know that.
LabCorp and Mako Medical are turning around results in 1 to 2 days. Radius, which delivers results in about 12 hours, will continue free testing at its headquarters in Wake Forest. Calabria says he's proud of the county's partnership with Radius to keep people protected.
What we know is we have saved lives through this program, and that's the most important thing.
And Wake County has spent more than $131 million in federal funding to keep up on these testing sites. The county spent $2 million in taxpayer money just to continue this testing through July. We have posted a full list of places where you can get tested over on WRAL.com. Just search testing.
It is a change for people. They've been used to this for 2 years. We have to change some of their habits. Appreciate the report, Joe. Thank you.